All right, hello and welcome to the video and welcome to Akashx. In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through the Akashx platform, how to get started, and how you can leverage the most important features and functions of this amazing brand. So I'm in the Akashx back office. You can go to akashx.com. You can click on login. And once you've purchased your Akashx membership, you're going to use your username and password that you used during enrollment to log into the platform. Once you're logged in, you're going to come to this page. And one thing I want to point out that is kind of cool is you can toggle between light theme and dark theme with this button right here. So if you're somebody that likes to see things a little bit lighter, you can click this little toggle button. And if you like to see it darker, you can click it again. When we have new notifications, different alerts, things that you should know about, you'll see this little bell light up here. So make sure you check these notifications because there's different promotions, things we do that you want to stay in the know and know about, which you'll find here under this bell. And then another thing is we have a 3 and free program with Akashx. It's one of the coolest features of this platform. So you're paying a membership to get access to Akashx. That membership is $149 per month. And if you refer just 3 friends that want to trade with you, then you get your membership waived. So you literally don't have to pay ever for your Akashx membership as long as you have 3 active paying subscribers that you've referred. So you can do that by using your akashx.com replicated website, which is right here, akashx.com / the username that you selected. Send that out to 3 of your friends. Let them know how amazing this product is and that you want them to trade with you, join the community. And once they join, you'll see this light up. It'll say 3 out of 3. This white bar will turn green and then your membership is waived. Next, I'm going to go to the getting started page. So one of the products in Akashx is called Tap to Trade. This is an amazing technology where you can take and approve trades from our educators, and you can connect your Akashx account to 3 different trading platforms: MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and TradeLocker. Those 3 trading platforms are connected to different brokers. So MetaTrader 4, for instance, will have its own list of brokers that are in this drop-down menu here. Those are brokers that this platform has been integrated into. Same with MetaTrader 5 and same with TradeLocker. The platform that I use is TradeLocker. The reason why I like TradeLocker is because it has a lot of advanced trading features, and I believe it's the future of trading. So that's the reason why we added TradeLocker as a trading platform for Tap to Trade. So once you're ready to connect your account, you're going to enter in your account email if you're using TradeLocker, your account password, and make sure you're using like the right password, because a lot of people will mess up like case sensitive issues. Like if you're using a lowercase instead of an uppercase, like use the exact password that you've been provided by your broker, or else you're going to get an error message here and it will say invalid account. Another thing is make sure the broker name is exactly the broker name that you're using, as well as the server as well. So some people try to connect into like a live server when it's really a demo, and vice versa. So make sure all of these details here are exactly correct. And then you're gonna see a connect button right here. You're gonna click that connect button and then it'll say connecting. And then within a few minutes, it'll update to connected. If you ever need to change your account, you can click this reset button and it'll reset your account. So I'm gonna refresh, and you can see now that the connect button is back and I can proceed with entering new details in here. So I'm gonna enter in some details here. I'm gonna put my password. Give me just a second here. Same thing here, put password. All right, once I've done that, I'm gonna click connect. Oh, see, I made a mistake there. Exactly what I told you guys not to do. Okay, so I'm gonna fix my password. I'm gonna click connect. And like I said, it'll take a couple minutes and then it will be updated. Once you've done that, then it is connected to the Akashx app. So you can download the Akashx app on Android or iPhone. Again, you're going to use your same username and password that you selected during enrollment in the app. And once you've connected here in desktop, it's automatically connected within your app, and you can start approving trades onto your connected MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or TradeLocker account. Next thing I'll show you is the Academy. So if you're somebody that maybe you don't want to do tap to trade, but you just want to dive in and you want to learn, the two main places that you're going to learn back here are the Academy and live sessions. So with the Academy, this is for you to go at your own pace, and it's broken down into platform tutorials, a beginner academy, advanced, expert, cryptocurrencies, and we have a special academy from our educators where they've put together videos specific to the strategies that they're using. So first, let's just take a look at the beginner academy. You're brand new, today's day one for you, and you want to learn about the world of trading. You want to learn about the history of the financial markets. What is Forex? What are some of the most popular currencies? The most popular pairs? All of this information is super important when you're brand new to trading, because trading in some ways can be like a foreign language. And so it's important to come back here and go through the beginner academy. Another thing too is like the worst mistakes traders make, like trading emotionally, trading without risk management, not following a clear plan, using too much leverage, blindly just following other people. All of these things are very important when you're brand new and you're starting this trading journey. So make sure if you're brand new, you at least go through the beginner academy. If you're ready to take it to the next level, you can go into advanced. This is where you'll learn more about analysis and how you can use indicators and things like that to make better decisions. Also, these videos in the Academy, if you click this drop-down menu here, it's translated into a bunch of languages. And all of these videos are 1 minute long, with exception of the videos that have the light bulb. Those are 3 to 5 minutes long. These are micro learning videos. So the Academy is designed for you to be able to go through it quickly and absorb a lot of complicated information in a simple and effective way. So that's the Akashx Academy. There's also the expert and crypto one. I'm going to click on educator training series. So each of our educators have put together a series of videos specific to their strategy. So if you come into Akashx and you want to start following a specific educator, it's good to come back here and get to know who they are. So first, you can read their profile, you can read what they trade, their top interests. You'll obviously see them on live sessions as well, but here's their recorded videos, so you can check these out, learn their strategy, learn how they trade, what their methodology is, and it'll make more sense as you're taking trades from an educator or getting ideas from an educator if you've gone through their specific academy. So you can click through these educators, click the videos, learn their strategies, and it'll make much more sense as you jump on their live sessions. These are the live sessions right here. You can select a specific educator. So if you have somebody specifically that you want to follow, you can click their name and it'll populate that educator and tell you when is the next time they're going live. So it's showing today. These educators are going live today at these times, and then Friday, Saturday, Monday. And so you can scroll down to see the upcoming days. Once you click on one of the educators, you'll see there's the ability to chat here. And if you scroll down, you can also see their session replays as well. So don't be concerned if you, for whatever reason, wind up missing a live session. You can always come back here and watch the replay. So that's how the live sessions work. And then we're going to go into trade alerts. So our educators, they trade different assets. Some trade Forex pairs, some trade indices, some trade commodities. And we put all of their trade ideas back here. So for instance, if I click on Forex, it'll tell me which of these trades are active and which have expired. Active means that it's an active trade that you can get into right now. Expired means that this is a trade. It could be from a week ago or 10 days ago, 15 days ago. Obviously, don't get into trades that are expired. Only get into trades that are currently active. It'll tell you if it's a buy limit, sell limit, or if it's market execution. Those things are all inputted into your trading platform. So if you're using TradeLocker, you can do a pending order, and it can be a pending buy or it can be a pending sell. And that's how you would do the limit types of orders. Market execution would be more of an order that you're doing right away. Now, if you come over here to the right, you'll see EP. What does EP stand for? That's the entry price. So all of these assets are at a current price. And so this is always telling you where you want to enter your trade. So this is Euro USD. And so the entry price is 1.0691. And then there's a stop loss here. That means that if the stop loss is hit, it closes the trade out. And it tells you what the stop loss is, and then it tells you what the take profits are. A lot of trades can have 3, sometimes 4 take profits, and so we list those take profits here. You can also click this little chart here to see the specific analysis that the educators are using to call these trades, and they can put notes in here as well, like please use proper risk management. If you don't know what lot size to use 0.03. And so these are copy and paste trade alerts. You can come back here, you can check the trades. You'll also get a push notification in your app as these trades are called, and you can copy and paste these into your trading platform. Now, tap to trade is a little bit different. Tap to trade, when an educator calls a trade on tap to trade, there is a 2-minute expiration. So there's only 2 minutes to accept and approve the trades that come through here from the educators. And the reason why is because the market moves really fast. So we can't leave these trades open for a very long time. So all of them have a 2-minute window for members to be able to get into those specific trades. And so when a trade is called, it'll also say active. There will be a 2-minute countdown with the ability to click approve. If you have a connected account on Tap to Trade, you can approve and execute those trades here. Also, inside of in the mobile app, you'll be able to do that as well. Another thing that's really important is the Tap Traders page here on the left-hand side. This shows you the statistics of all of the traders that are calling Tap to Trades. We, as a brand, what I love about Akashx is how transparent it is with everybody's trade history. So there's no surprises. You can come here, you can click on a specific trader, and you can see all of their performance. You can see their number of trades, how many trades they've won, lost, how many long trades they've had, what their total profit is, what their average daily profit is, weekly and monthly profit. And you can also see a distribution of which assets they're trading. So you can come back here and you can click around, view all the trade history, and that'll help you make better decisions for which traders you want to take trade ideas and trade alerts from. Now, we also have scanners here in Akashx as well. These scanners will help you make better trade decisions, when to get in, when to get out. Golden Rain is specifically for XAU USD, and you can watch these videos here for how to use the Golden Rain scanners. Go is another one here. This actually has signals that are posted here on the right hand side. You can see here this one was from 1 minute ago, and it's telling you on this particular currency to buy right here. You can change the currency. So if I wanted to do XAU USD, which is gold, which is a commodity, it'll change the coordinates, and it's telling me to sell right here. And so this is the live market that's moving, and it's telling me to sell. And I can check these signals in different time frames as well. There's also another scanner called Trend Capture. This is to identify and capture strong market trends. There's Blitz, Breakout Momentum, Pivot Point Reversal, and Smart Cash. If you want to learn more about these scanners, you can hop on the live sessions with the educators who will train on these scanners. And a lot of times on the live sessions, they'll call out live trades using these scanners. If you click on resources, this is where you'll find like the Akashx presentations, different launch videos, welcome videos, how to get started. All of this information is readily available back here for you under resources. Under tools, a couple more things I want to show you. One is calendars. This is really important. Like anytime you're trading, it's important to be able to know when there's going to be news or different events that could affect the currencies that you're trading. So we have a crypto calendar and an economic calendar. So if you click on the economic calendar, you can come down here and you can see today, tomorrow, this week, next week. It'll tell you the event. It'll tell you 1 star, 2 star, or 3 stars. If it's 3 stars, then it's a higher impact event. And if you click on it, it'll tell you the effect, the significance, the frequency, and there's a link to the source where this information is pulling from. There's also calculators back here as well. This is really important. If you want to calculate your lot size, if you want to calculate your profit, your pips, your pivot points, drawdowns, all of those things you can calculate back here. So you can pick the currency. There's a search that comes up that you can select the currency from. And then you can enter in what your account balance is, how much you want to risk, the contract size, click calculate, and then it'll tell you what your money at risk is. Trade Locker also has a lot of those features built in as you're getting ready to place trades. Financial news, you can view different market news that gets posted back here. I mean, one of the things that's nice about Akashx is you don't have to go to so many different places to get this information. It's all in one simple place. So you can get all the important information you need quickly. There's also a currency strength meter back here as well. So you can see the strength of various currencies like USD, JPY, Euros. If you click on details for USD, it'll tell you the different time frames. So you can click on like, okay, 5 minutes, here's the strength of the currency. I can also go 15 minutes and I can see there's a change here. And I can also go 1 hour as well and see these currencies had these types of changes. There's also a trend analysis as well. So you can see are certain currencies in an uptrend or a downtrend. And you can click on details to go a little bit deeper, and it tells you the indicators that it's using to calculate if it's uptrend or downtrend. So very important and helpful tools that you can use as you're placing trades. There's also a glossary back here. Like I said at the beginning, trading can be a foreign language for some people. So if you ever get confused on different terminology, you can come back here and you can use this glossary to, you can search the alphabet. If I click on M, it'll pull up all the terms with M. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to pull up the Akashx app on my phone, and I'm going to show you Trade Locker as well, so you can see how you can place trades and how the Akashx app works as well. Okay, so first I'm going to click on Akashx app. And so this is what the app looks like when you log in. If I'm already connected, it'll show that I'm connected. If I've got my 3 people, it'll show I've got my 3 people. I can watch the live sessions on the app here. So if I scroll down, I can see all the different live sessions. I can click on one and it'll pull, this live session up. I can click trade alerts. This is where the trade alerts are posted. So just like how I showed you in desktop, you can also see this information right here. And then tap to trade. As the tap to trades come through, the expiration will count down, and there will be a approve button that will appear right here. And then you can click that approve button. You can enter your lot size, and then it'll get you into those trades. So that's how the Akashx app works. What I'm going to show you now is Trade Locker. So again, this is the platform that I really like. I think it has way more advanced features than MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 has. If you want to click on a specific currency, you can click on markets and you can choose from any of the assets to trade. And then another thing that's important here is at the top left, these are the different time frames. So if you trade in like 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute, you can see the different time frames here. This FX button here is where you can enter your indicators that you're going to use. So an indicator that I use is RSI, which is the relative strength index. So I can click that and it just added this indicator right here on the bottom. And so you can add all your indicators that way. On the right hand side here, if you see where those green numbers are, that's the price of this particular asset. And then there's all these charting features here on the left hand side. I don't use a lot of those when I'm trading. On the bottom left, I have sell, and on the bottom right, I have buy, and I have the ability to enter my lot size here. If I enter lot size 1, it will tell me how much margin I'm using and what that percentage is. You obviously don't want to risk more than you can risk in your account. So you want to make sure you are using, smart risk management. But you enter the lot size right here. Another thing I highly recommend, before you ever risk your own capital, master trading on demo. It doesn't hurt you at all to trade on demo. It's a great way to learn. It's a great way to practice. You don't have to risk your real capital. You can trade on demo and master the markets. And when you're ready, then you can trade on live. So we're gonna place some trades. I'm gonna pull up XAU, USD. This is gold. And just to show you how this platform works, we're going to place some trades. So gold is going up right now, and if I want to place a trade, there's a couple ways to do it. I can just one-click this buy button right here, and it'll place a trade at 0.01 lots. Or there's a little button right here that I can click on, and it'll open up more options for me to be able to add a take profit and a stop loss when I'm placing a trade. So you'll learn this in the live sessions. You'll learn what's a stop loss, what's a take profit, how should I set it, and that'll help you make better decisions when you're placing your trades. So I'm gonna place a trade. We're just gonna do a buy. So I'm gonna click confirm, and it just got me into this buy that's right here. So it shows that my stop loss is right below it, which is this line at 2321, and my take profit is at 2323. And so I just placed this trade, and if it hits take profit, it'll close the trade out in profit. And if it hits stop loss, it'll close the trade out in a loss. But the nice thing about stop loss is I'm controlling my risk on each trade. Another thing you can do, which is a really cool feature that MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 don't have, is you can trail your stop loss. This is amazing for risk management. What it basically does is when your trade is in profit and you want to trail your stop loss, I just click this little trail button right here. It'll continue to move the stop loss up even though you're in profit, so that if the trade for whatever reason reverses it doesn't reverse and put your trade into the negative. It reverses and it closes your trade in profit, but it gives your trade basically breathing room to be able to continue to go in the right direction while you're trailing it. And so if you have a trade that's running and you enter a trailing stop loss, you can do really well with that trade. It's just a great way to manage risk. So that's how you use both the Trade Locker platform, the Akashx app, the Akashx back office, and hopefully you guys got a lot out of this this video, and you know how to get started, place trades, use all the features in Akashx. I look forward to seeing you guys make money in the markets. Have a great time on the live sessions. Hope you win with Tap to Trade and the trade alerts. Refer your 3 people, get Akashx for free, and I'll see you at the top. Thanks for watching this video.